The law of attraction, how it works, and why you should care. Introduction. Hey there, YouTube fam. Today we're talking about the law of attraction, a principle that's been around for centuries but has gained popularity in recent years thanks to books like The Secret and Think and Grow Rich. But what exactly is the law of attraction, and how can it help you create the life you want? In this video, we'll be breaking it down in a way that's easy to understand, and even throwing in some funny examples and famous quotes to keep things interesting. What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is a principle that states that like attracts like. In other words, the energy you put out into the universe is what you'll attract back. If you're constantly putting out negative energy, you'll attract negative experiences. If you're putting out positive energy, you'll attract positive experiences. Example 1, the parking spot. Let's say you're driving to work and you're running late. You're hoping to find a good parking spot close to the entrance, but all the spots seem to be taken. You start to feel frustrated and angry, and you're convinced that you're going to be late. But then you remember the law of attraction, and you start to focus on positive thoughts. You tell yourself, I always find a great parking spot, and lo and behold, a spot opens up right in front of you. Example 2, the dream job. Now let's say you're looking for your dream job. You've been sending out resumes and going on interviews, but nothing seems to be working out. You're feeling discouraged and starting to doubt yourself. But then you remember the law of attraction, and you start to focus on positive thoughts. You tell yourself, I'm going to find my dream job, and before you know it, you get a call for an interview at your dream company. Famous quotes about the law of attraction. Many famous people throughout history have used the law of attraction to achieve success in their lives. Here are just a few of their inspiring quotes. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Napoleon Hill, author of Think and Grow Rich. You are the masterpiece of your own life, you are the Michelangelo of your own life. The David that you are sculpting is you. Joe Vitale, author of The Attractor Factor. As you think, so shall you become. Bruce Lee, martial artist and actor. The universe will correspond to the nature of your song. Henry David Thoreau, author and philosopher. Conclusion. The law of attraction can seem a bit out there at first, but when you really understand how it works, it can be a powerful tool for creating the life you want. Remember, like attracts like. If you want to attract positive experiences, you need to put out positive energy. So start focusing on the good things in your life, and watch the magic unfold. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.